everybody and welcome to Double Spoon. If you are a fan of chocolate and gooey brownie is one of your favorite desserts, then you are at the right place. In this video, we will be baking chocolate walnut brownie. To prepare that, we will require 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida, half cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, milk chocolate, 100 grams of butter and walnut for garnishing. To prepare the wet ingredients, we will take a bowl. In the bowl, we will put the chocolate. I have used Amul milk chocolate. You can also use dark chocolate. Break the chocolate into pieces and put it in the bowl. Melt the chocolate. You can also microwave it for 30 seconds. After this, we will use melted butter. I already have melted butter. So we will add butter in the chocolate. Gently mix chocolate and butter together. Stir it until butter and chocolate completely blends together. Once your syrup is ready, keep the butter chocolate syrup aside and let's work on dry ingredients. For that, take a bowl and set the sieve on it for the dry ingredient. 1 cup maida, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, half cup powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda. Once our dry ingredients are ready, we will take the butter chocolate syrup and gently pour it in the dry ingredients. Now let's take a spoon or a spatula and mix our mixture well. Don't be afraid if your batter is very thick. To loosen the batter, we will be adding 1 cup milk, After mixing it for some time, your dry and wet ingredients will mix up well and you will see that the lumps have disappeared. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Make sure to check the consistency so that you do not overbeat the batter. If you still feel that your batter is thick, you can add Amul fresh cream into the batter. This is totally optional, and if you think that your batter has reached perfect consistency, you may skip this step. Next, add some walnuts into the batter. After the batter is ready, we will keep the batter aside and get ready to prepare the tin for baking. So I have used a square tin to bake. Take a brush and grease the tin with butter from all sides. Make sure you grease the tin properly, otherwise your brownie may not come out smoothly once it is baked. Set butter paper or parchment paper in the tin and apply some more butter. Gently pour your batter in the tin. Tap the tin on a smooth surface to level up the batter. Repeat this step for 15 to 20 times. Once your batter has leveled up and is ready for baking, garnish it with some walnut. We will now take the brownie to the microwave. My microwave is preheated at 180 degrees Celsius under the convection mode. We will bake the brownie for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you will get a brownie which is spongy and soft from inside. I will just show you a glimpse of the same. Once you have used your microwave, don't forget to press the stop and clear button and let it cool down. We will just test the brownie with the knife so you can see that it has come out clean. Now let's take a plate. On that plate, we will put the tin and using a knife, we will try to release the sides of the brownie. Eventually, it should come out on its own. Carefully turn the tin upside down and see that the brownie has come out beautifully and the tin is totally clean. We will now remove the butter paper from the brownie. Take another plate and turn it upside down once again. Sprinkle some grated chocolate on top of it. It will give a chocolatey taste when you eat the brownie. Now let's cut our brownie into square pieces. Also, if you're liking the video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe. So let's have a look at one of them. As you can see, the brownie is very moist and gooey and it's very soft from inside as well.